Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Payal Chakraborty and today I'm presenting a beginner friendly makeup. So without much further ado, let's get started. Here I'm using Jiva Rose Petal Water as a toner on my face and then I'll be applying a moisturizer. I'm using Nivea Soft Moisturizer. It is very important to hydrate your face before any kind of makeup. Make sure you hydrate it very well. Also, don't forget your lips. I'm using here Vaseline Petroleum Jelly to hydrate my lips. Next, I'll be using a primer which is from Swiss Beauty. I'll be taking a very small amount and will apply it on my face. Next, I'm taking PAC HD Liquid Foundation in the shade 1.6 and will apply it in dots on my face. I'll be taking a wet beauty blender to blend the foundation onto my skin. It is very important to blend your foundation very well so that you can avoid that cakey look. Now those who doesn't have any kind of sponge, I'll be using my hands to blend my foundation on my forehead. Next, I'll be taking Maybelline Skin Eraser Concealer in the shade Ivory and will highlight my face. I'll be putting the concealer under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin, on the upper lip area and my forehead, and will blend it with a beauty blender. Next, I am taking Miss Claire Light Banana powder to set my foundation on my face. You can also use a compact powder, whichever is available to you. Next, I'll be taking Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette in the shade Neutral 2 and will be using a medium pink shade as a blusher on my face. I'm applying the blusher on my cheekbones and on the tip of my nose a bit. Next, I'm taking this dark brown shade and will be applying this eyeshadow with an eyeshadow brush all over my lid. If you don't have brush, you can also use your fingers just the way I am doing it in this eye. It is very important to blend your eyeshadows really well. I'm also applying the same shade on the lower lash line area also. Next, I'm taking this neutral shimmery shade and will be applying in the inner part of my eye area. This will give an illusion of a bigger eye. I'm mixing both these shades and will be applying it on the inner corner of my eye and also on my brow bone. Next, I'm reapplying the darker brown shade to maximize the pigment. Here I'll be using Lakme Iconic Kajal on my lower lash line and also will tightline my eyes. Next, I'm taking Hilary Rhoda Sketch Eyeliner and will be drawing a small winged liner on my eye. I'll also do the same for the other eye. Next, I'm taking a clean mascara wand and will brush my eyebrows in the upward direction. Next, I'll be using an eyelash curler and will curl my lashes. Next, I'll take a mascara and will wipe off the excess and will apply it on my lashes. Here I am using Maybelline Hyper Curl Lash Mascara. I'm also brushing my eyebrows with the same mascara to set everything in place. Next, I have taken Music Flower Eyebrow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown and will be applying it with an angular brush. Next, I am again taking that clean mascara wand and brushing my eyebrows in the upward direction. Here I am taking Makeup Revolution highlighter in the shade Champagne and will be applying it with the help of my fingers. A highlighter gives a beautiful glow on your face. Also apply some on my brow bone and the inner corners of my eyes. Here I have used NY liquid lipstick in the shade Under the Velvety Ground. And I am finishing my makeup with the help of a setting spray which is from Glam 21. I was trying this look with a bindi, but then I skipped it off. Isn't it a very easy peasy look, and any beginner could follow this? If you have liked my video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye. Stay well.